Show it. Show it first and explain it to Sab. What is it?
This is you and me.
Okay. Then what's this one? What's that? What's this one?
I just make a cup with water.
Okay.
And I make something blue.
What is
A
it?
box of blue.
What is it?
It's like a box for a present, like something inside of it. But
Okay.
I just make a blue box.
Okay. Oh, show to Sab your message. This card. Yan, this one. This are flowers. Oh, this is the message, diba?
Yeah.
Oh, say it to Sab. What written on it?
What?
What written on it?
I don't know.
You said I miss you and love you.
I miss you, Sad, and I love
You will give it to whom? Bye.
Bye.
Janus. You will give it to whom?
Sean.
Why? Why you will give it to Sean?
Because Sean leave his gun here.
Okay. Say it. Kuya Sean, this is for you. Show it to Sean. Show it. Wow, look Kuya Sean, that's so nice.
Mommy, here's a card.